Welcome all of you. The question that is shown on the screen that comes in the CBSE 2025 grade 12 physics paper, set 3. First question. In the circuit shown, the charge on the left plate of 20 microfarad capacitor is minus 50 microcoulomb. The charge on the right plate of the 12 microfarad capacitor is 20 microcoulomb, minus 20 microcoulomb, 30 microcoulomb and minus 30 microcoulomb. So that is a 20 microfarad capacitor. So let us denote this as a C1. 12 microfarad capacitor, let us denote it as C2, 4 microfarad as C3 and 9 microfarad as C4. Now left plate of the 20 microfarad capacitor, so this is the minus and this is the plus, and if the left plate have the minus 50 microcoulomb charge, then we can say the capacitor have this 50 microcoulomb charge. Okay, plus 50 microcoulomb on the right plate and minus 50 microcoulomb on the left plate. So similarly, I can give the negative and positive sign in the same order, and we can say the current is flowing from right to left. Okay, so let us try to understand that very simply. The 50 microcoulomb if it have on the 20 microfarad capacitor, so since the 20 microfarad capacitor C1 and the 4 microfarad capacitor C3 are in the series combination. Okay, obviously there is a C2 and C4 parallel combinations there, two branches are there, but C1 and C3 we can see in the series combination. So C3 also have the 50 microcoulomb charge on the both plate. This plate have the plus 50 microcoulomb and the left plate have the minus 50 microcoulomb. Now this 50 microcoulomb charge is shared between the C2 and C4. It have to be. Okay, it have to be. Since they are connected in parallel, so you can see the potential difference across these two capacitors are same. We can write it down that V equal to Q1 divided by C1 equal to Q2 divided by C2, or rather we can say Q4 divided by C4 equal to Q2 by C2. Here I have considered that the charge stored in the C2 capacitor is Q2 and the charge stored in the C4 capacitor, that is 9 microfarad, is Q4. Okay, so let us put the values. Q4 C4 is 9, Q2 C2 is 12. So if I say Q4 divided by Q2, that will become 9 by 12, that is it become 3 by 4. So we can say Q4, the charge stored in the C4 capacitor, that is 3x. Charge stored in the Q2, that is a C2 capacitor, is 4x. Obviously x not equal to 0. So in this particular case, obviously we can say that since this 50 microcoulomb from the C3 is shared between Q2 C2 and C4, so we can say Q2 plus Q4 is equal to 50. Okay, what is Q2? Q2 is 4x. What is Q4? Q4 is 3x. So that is 50 microcoulomb. 7x equal to 50. So x equal to 50 divided by 7 microcoulomb. So Q4 equal to 150 divided by 7 microcoulomb, that is Q4. And what is Q2? Q2 is 15 to 4, that is 200 divided by 7 microcoulomb. We have to find it out what is the charge stored on the right plate of the 12 microfarad. Right plate means the positive plate, and that is 200 by 7 microcoulomb. So what is Q2? So Q2 we have to find it out. On the right plate obviously plus charges is there, and 200 by 7 microcoulomb. So if I try to convert it into the decimal, then 7 divided by 200, 7 2 ja 14, 6 0, 7 8 ja 56, 4 0, decimal point is there, 7 5 ja 35. So 35, 5 0. So 28.57 approx we can say. So the closest one is the option C. Okay, option C. Obviously you are not getting the exactly one, but the which one is the closest one, that is the 30 here. The closest to 28.57 is 30 here. Thank you all of you.